Sunday, 4th June, an under-construction bridge on River Ganga between Aguvani Ghat and Sultanganj in Bihar collapsed, causing damage to a segment on 3 pillars that fell into the river. No loss of life or property has been reported so far. The local administration officials have reached the spot and are assessing the extent of damage caused to the bridge. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has ordered a high-level probe to identify those responsible for the incident, while Bhagalpur SDO Dhananjay Kumar said that they have spoken to the engineers involved in the construction of the bridge. The construction of the bridge will take a lot of time due to the twin incidents of collapse, and the guilty will be punished. Bihar Deputy CM Tejashvi Yadav said that IIT Roorkee had previously blamed the storm for the collapse of the bridge on April 30 last year.